thank you for tuning in to see how I created this amazing look today.
Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have my adorable assistant Emerson here helping me do this look, which is a pink everyday sort of a look. Trying to match it with my pink shirt here. I actually have a doctor's appointment today that I'm running late for, so I have to make it fast. So if you are in a rush and you have a little one to help you with your makeup, this look might be good for you. So I hope you enjoy. Good makeup starts with good skin, and if you are unfortunate like me and have terrible skin, one of my first videos was about the clarisonic, and I have been using it consistently morning and night for 2 weeks now, and honestly I have seen an amazing difference. And I've tried a lot of different things as far as skincare. I've tried Rodan & Fields, which I really like. It's extremely expensive. The clarisonic is pretty expensive. It's $159, but I would say definitely go for it because it does make a huge difference. So I would say besides Rodan & Fields, this clarisonic has totally rocked my skin's world. So I'm going to start with that, and I did get a good cleanser that's actually, I looked this up and it's hydrating and moisturizing. It is the Olay Regenerist Anti-Aging Foaming Cream Cleanser. So it's a cream cleanser, it hydrates and it exfoliates. So now it is time to serum up and moisturize. And in the last video, I showed you guys my vitamin serum. I do like using that. I just like using all kinds of serums. You know, I've got aging skin. And this I got a little sample of from Ulta. It's Kate Somerville Wrinkle Warrior Plumping Moisturizer plus Serum. I don't have a lot of it left, but oh my gosh, it smells so good. I probably use AM, PM twice daily. Apply a thin layer to face and neck, all skin types. Moisturizing and plumping. So now, primer. I'm just gonna use an e.l.f. Soothing face primer because, like I said, if you have rosacea, you know that it's basically irritated skin, redness from irritation. Primer, sink in. Now, I am going to use my go-to Lancome foundation. I just love it so much. And I'm just going to apply that with my sponge, my handy-dandy sponge. So, as said, I heard in another video, you just want to start with your cheeks, and my nose gets really red too from the rosacea. Okay, so, I mean, this isn't, I like full coverage foundation. This isn't fully full coverage, as you can see. I mean, but it feels light and it covers enough, you know. Alright, so let's try this contour palette. So, to use this contour palette, oh look at me, I'm going to use this foundation brush, and I'm going to start with the lightest. These towels, by the way, are great. My daughter recommended these two. They have a little button in the back. So I'm starting with that lightest because I have a light, fair skin. I definitely have to contour my giant 5 head. I mean, oh my gosh, if you have a big forehead, contouring your forehead. Ugh, it has been like a game changer for me. Contour my nose, which is something else I don't really like. Alright. Alright, contouring done. Concealing time. Alright, last time I kind of made this short and sweet, but I do like the Tarte concealer. This isn't as light as the It Cosmetics concealer. With the It concealer, which is, both of these are super full coverage. I just mix it on my hand because the It Cosmetics is just too light, especially in the summer. I mean, I've got a little bit of a tan, but I mix the two to have like a medium, not so. Okay, so like I said, I mix that concealer. I do this every time because I just love how it tightens underneath the eye. But I mix it with the concealer, and this time I'm not gonna go overboard with it. Last time I think I put way too much product, and that's the trick with this. What's mommy doing? What's mommy doing, Emerson? All right, I think that's pretty well blended. Now we should set that. Should we set it? All right, so I'm gonna get my setting powder. This is it's Hard Candy Fast and Fabulous Translucent Setting Powder. And I'm gonna put it on with just a sponge. You can see that that stuff is great for getting rid of the shininess. I get like really oily right here around my nose throughout the day. That, you know, that really helps get rid of that shininess. Okay, next, eyebrows. Now, I told you guys I got my eyebrows microbladed, which I totally recommend, but I need a fill-in and I can't while I'm nursing. So I'm still nursing this little angel baby right here. I have a couple different shades of the micro brow pencil, and I just kind of try to follow the microblading, but it looked not the same shade, or not a good shade in the last video. So this time I'm just gonna try, I don't know, see how this works. Try a, this is a blonde shade. CoverGirl micro brow pencil in a blonde shade. And like I said, I'm doing this one-handed with a baby, so excuse me if it's not fabulous. But I just kind of go in the direction of the microblading and try to just fill it in, because when I first got them microbladed, I didn't have to do anything with them, like no touch-ups. You save money on these micro brow pencils, which are the left. Is it left? So that area right there, just need that filled in. I love big, bushy eyebrows. Who doesn't, right? Okay, so I'm gonna start with my Smashbox eyeshadow primer, since I am just going all out today with the eyeshadow. So I'm gonna start with this, I don't know if I'm saying it right, HUDA Beauty Obsession. Alright, so I'm going to start with this shade down here. It doesn't have a name. It's a pretty red pigmented shade. So I'm not going to go crazy with it. I'm just going to start there. Pick up some of the light pink. And then kind of use that to follow around my crease. I'm going to do the same thing again, so pick up that red, just going to check on the baby, bring it over. That looks nice, I like that. Alright, so I'm going to bring some of that pink down here. I'm still using the big brush, but I think I might need to switch it up to the smaller one. It's kind of of a shocking pink too. Huh. So that's a little bit much. It's a little crazy pink. I'm gonna try to mute it down with some browns just so people aren't staring at me like a wild woman. And then, I don't know if you've heard, but the best lip color for you is the color of your nipples, which is weird. I think it would be this color. I don't know. It's so sick. I don't think they make this anymore. It's like a Katy Perry, and it's shade 40. I've seen 41. I cannot find 40. Put on my assistant because she got hungry. Yeah. So yeah, I don't know why I didn't use the Soft Glam palette first. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Goes really well with that shimmery. I'm gonna be late to my doctor's appointment. For you guys, I do it for you. I still have to dry my hair. I did put on blush because with the red or the pinky eyes, the blush, you can go, I feel like you can go a little bit overboard with the blush. I haven't put on, I still have to dry my hair, put on mascara, and then I will probably put on my Urban Decay all night setting spray. I need, oh my gosh, it's almost out. I need more of this. This stuff is amazing. Why bother putting on makeup if you're not going to set it? I might just do that now.